Stop for a second, kids. Can you learn the table of 6 in just a few minutes? Let's try it together right now. Hello, children. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to learn multiplication in a very easy and fun way. So, get ready and start. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. Can you guess? 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Now let's revise quickly. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Well done, kids. Today you learned the table of 6. Now try revising tables of 4 and 5 as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.